All right, so on today's sound check for That Sounds Terrible, I'm going to take the Gojira Drive. And I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to compare it to a pedal within, at least what I think is in the same circuit. I think it is a modified Klon circuit. It's a very open feeling pedal. It reacts that way. It's very transparent. And anybody who plays Klons, or if you like that circuit, you know, the more you dial in the gain, the more of the clean signal it blends into it. And that's how this pedal feels to me. So I'm going to take it and we're going to put it against the Lichtlaerm Audio's Aquaria. Now, I haven't released my video yet for my review on that pedal, but we're going to use that because I've got them dialed in pretty close, at least to what I think it sounds like. So if my theory is correct, we'll find out. But we're going to put it up against the Paul Reed Smith. It's a Sonzera 50. I'm borrowing it from a friend of mine, and I actually like this amp. It's not too bad. It's got a bad rap. I know it's got some history of background noise in the clean and dirty channel. I think it's related to the spring reverb. So the internet says. I don't care. Sounds okay. But this is probably the lowest gain amp I got. And if my theory is right, we should get roughly within the same ballpark of tone, sound, and everything within those two pedals. So we're just going to grab the PRS 245 with a power dozer and a bridge into the ISO cab. And I'm not even going to dial them in. I'm going to leave them exactly where I got them. And we'll just A-B them that way. So, all right, here we go. Just for clarity, the blue light that is currently on the Aquaria is actually the active EQ. So that disables the active EQ, and that would turn on the circuit. It's kind of like a light blue, but it's actually a white. So anyways, that means the active EQ is on the pedal, and then we'll go into it from there. All right, let's go. You guys tell me what you think. There is some differences. They are very subtle. They're not exactly dialed in perfect by any means. Like I said, it was just kind of a quick test. I wanted to see how well it sounded and compare it to another Klon style circuit. I mean, I've got plenty of other clones up here to try, from the KTR, which is up here. Ugh. So we got a KTR we can go against next time for Archer. The Embers, the Sacred Cow. I don't have it yet, but I've already talked with Parks from Parks Custom Pedals, and I got a Dagon on the way. So, like I said, plenty of clones for me to go against. We'll do another video. We'll do some more shootouts, but I don't know. I think the Gojira Drive might be based on that clone circuit. So, anyways, tell me what you guys think. We'll catch you on the next one.